Doesn't take a mathematician to double that and say 100% would be a $3 billion cost to the state. That's less than 3% of the current state budget. So anytime your state rep or state senator says to you, I care about seniors, but they're not willing to support a 100% property tax exemption for our seniors, they care about you less than 3% of their budget.
All right, let's get Thomas in here. Dave, is that true? Is that true with the budget and everything? Would you agree with those numbers?
Our budget's actually about 50 billion a year, so it's a little bit different. But I think in terms of what we're currently spending, state tax dollars, what we pay in income tax and sales tax, that currently is subsidizing about $2 billion. And the idea is, are we just going to essentially continue to increase government, increase the actual total taxation and spending, or are we going to try to target in on less actual revenue coming in? So one of the things we did in the budget, for example, was to allow counties to double the homestead for those who are most impacted, most low-income seniors. We've seen about 5 or 6 counties already. We're expecting a good number more. That's doubling on average about $1,000 for a senior who really is kind of at the brink. But to get at the real question of the asker, 30% increases in value. That's what's happened over the last 5 years. That revenue then is coming into local entities. And the crux of it is that local entities did not have to take it. So we have the policies in place where a township, a county, a village, city, school could accept that unvoted increases, but they don't have to. Now, a lot of counties are actually decreasing their tax rates. They're rolling things back, some townships as well. But what we're going to have in terms of policy is actual forced changes to that, because whoever said it earlier is right. We can't rely on many local governments, unfortunately, to police themselves. We have to actually have those limits or just remove them entirely.